Yutong's top 10 events in 2017. Yutong's top 10 events in 2017. Honoring 2016's Yutong heroes. On January 24th, Yutong held the 2016 annual Commendation Conference to celebrate ASL's revenue of over 450 billion yuan, and to award teams and individuals who made 2016 so successful. The city and company leaders awarded medals, trophies and prizes to the year's top performers. The Lucky Spot Raffle event was also held at the conference, with over 430 prizes, with a total value of 330,000 yuan, were won. Rewarding achievement and innovation in science and technology. On June 20th, the company held the 2016 annual Commended Award for Scientific and Technological Progress, with a special award dedicated to the year's top innovation projects and product lines. 30 projects were re-awarded for scientific and technological progress, including the T7 series, a high-energy saving and controlled planetary coupling dynamic system. Major product lines, represented by buses, school buses and overseas export vehicles, were recognized by the company. The total bonus S awarded reached 951 million yuan, and the T7 series won a special prize for scientific and technological progress, with a bonus of 180 million yuan. Realizing the 13th five-year strategic plan. On November the 17th, Yutong's 13th five-year strategic plan was formally approved and issued. As part of this new round of strategic planning, the company will focus on becoming the world's leading provider of buses and double its international scale and competitiveness. According to the plan, the company will strive for the integration of value delivery, focusing on 7 major themes, including product upgrades, technology upgrades, model innovation, overseas expansion, extensive development, and cultural upgrades. Yutong will also promote the formation of 50 strategic initiatives, which will support enterprises to complete the brand's transformation and internationalization. Innovation as the new normal. In 2017, all at one Yutong family united to face and overcome the old challenges, and realized new breakthroughs in business performance once again. Over the year, the group achieved a turnover of nearly 480 billion, up more than 25 billion compared with 2016, an increase of 5.8%. Among them, the domestic market share of the passenger business is expected to reach 32.2%. and our status as No.1 brand in the industry will be further strengthened. Production reached a peak in November, with company orders reaching nearly 16.5% units, a year-on-year growth of 15.6%. Joint projects and business optimization. On January 12th, Yutong leveraged its advantage in resources to set up a joint project team for sanitation equipment to work on the development, production and the sale of new energy. Over the year, the project team delivered over 450 units of pure electric sanitation vehicles, helping build a Xingzhou mode Xingzhou sanitation. Our team has continued to enhance Yutong's brand image with special service activities, the launch of a new generation of new energy sanitation products, and the optimization of internal management processes. These adjustments and optimizations will play an important role in enriching the growth of business and the green development of the country. Socially responsible Yutong. In 2017, the company spearheaded 3 public platforms to enhance its efforts towards social responsibility. The flagship Win Open Plan, which helped over 5,000 individuals during the year, won Yutong's 4th Xingzhou charity list. After the Jiaegu earthquake, the Yutong immediately launched an emergency relief plane to help restore normal life in disaster areas. The company organized hundreds of students from Ayan, Guizhou, and Jiangxi, poor mountainous areas, to carry out a 1-week Yutong summer camp, organized 30 meet and greet activities in Pyongyang for more than 2,400 people, and created a program for visiting disadvantaged military veterans. More than 70 volunteer activities were planned throughout the year, focusing on retired employees, the Employees' Children's Weekend and other projects, and more than 1,400 employees participated in the project. The series of work has strengthened the responsible social image of Yutong. Yutong passes rigorous quality management certification. In July, the company gained certification for its IAP 16949 and ISO 9001 quality management system after 9 days of rigorous inspection and testing. In September, Yutong became the first company in the industry to get a new version of the IAP 16949 certification successfully. Due to its improved quality management ability and environmental risk management, manufacturing, sales and service, the certification ensures national recognition of Yutong's quality management. Yutong buses service national leaders. In 2017, Yutong's T7 bus transported national leaders as they took part in inspection tours and important international conferences. From June 21st to 22nd, Chairman 11 Jinping to a red Jiangxi by T7. During China's 2 main political sessions, a fleet of T7s became the designated conference transportation. In addition, at the Boao Forum, the Belt and Road Initiative Forum, and the Fortune Global Forum, Yutong's quality service and equipment were highly praised. Employee-centered plan. In 2017, the company continued to carry out the principle of employee-centered organization and fully supported the realization of the good life for their staff. In the housing security, they initiated the group staff housing solution with a variety of initiatives to meet the different housing needs. Yutong has continued to enhance the level of property services and passed this ISO 9001 quality management system certification. In terms of food service, they will continue to carry out the closed-loop food safety quality system and provide safe and healthy nutrition for employees. During the high production period, Yutong can reach 90,000 people on a day by extending meals, increasing meals and ordering services. To facilitate the daily commute of employees, the company invested in more than 200 vehicles and now operates 73 route search day. The company will continue to invest in new energy vehicles and allow employees to work more flexible and convenient hours. This year, Yutong carried out research and improvements for salary allotments, employment patterns, discipline management, overtime management to enhance the employee satisfaction. Promoting entrepreneurship and innovation. On July 10th, Manager Tang made a speech on the subject of continued innovation and constant evolution, in which he put forward specific guidelines and requirements for entrepreneurship and innovation. During the first half of the year, Yutong fully embraced innovation, benchmarking and perfecting management mechanisms, and gradually increased employees' participation. The emergence of the financial accounting automation and memory response projects are the examples of outstanding innovation. In regards to entrepreneurship, the company reinvented its project management principles, launching a new incubation method, clear review process and selection criteria to establish an entrepreneurial management mechanism. Through an entrepreneurship conference, the company publicized its new open system to create a positive entrepreneurial atmosphere. Currently, they are establishing a system of entrepreneurial automobile post-processing projects, and a number of other high-quality projects are in the review. Entrepreneurship and innovation are providing a new impetus for the development of Yutong.